Hello, my name is Dinkins Grange. I'm an attorney in Jacksonville, Florida, and I have a large percentage of my practice that's devoted to doing bankruptcy work. Today I wanted to discuss with you what I feel is a public misconception when it comes to the filing of bankruptcy and what you can bankrupt and what you cannot bankrupt. Towards that regard, what I specifically wanted to talk about is what I have observed with clients that come into my office. I get people on a fairly regular basis that come into my office and they say, I want to bankrupt Sue, I want to bankrupt Fred, but I don't want to bankrupt Ralph or Ellen. You know, they want to pick and choose who they include within their bankruptcy. Well, when you file bankruptcy, you file something called a matrix that has all interested parties in your case that you sign under penalties of perjury that matrix is correct. And you also have something called schedules, among other things. But anyway, within the schedules you'll have to disclose everybody that you owe money to. It doesn't matter if it's somebody you wish to discharge a debt with, or if you want to continue to owe that debt, you must list everybody that you owe money to. Now, that doesn't mean to run off and pay a debt off so that you no longer owe that debt, so that then you don't have to disclose it within your bankruptcy, because that can lead into other problems, and you should really seek the advice of an attorney before doing something like that, and they can explain to you the ramifications of what would happen if you did that and then turned around and filed bankruptcy. If it comes to a secured debt meaning if you don't pay it, they can come get something, like a home mortgage is a secured debt, a car loan is a secured debt, some furniture loans are secured debts, some jewelry loans are secured debts, even some appliance type loans can be secured debts. But if you with secured debts, you can tell the court what you want to do with that particular debt, and you do that through something called a statement of intentions that will be filed with your bankruptcy paperwork. When it comes to unsecured debts, you can repay that creditor. In fact, the bankruptcy code allows for you to be able to repay that creditor. But as far as including them or not including them in the bankruptcy paperwork, they have to be included. As far as when you repay them and how you not how you repay them, but when you repay them in regards to your bankruptcy and what's going on in your case, I would highly suggest you seek legal advice as to when to repay them, if you intend to repay them at any time prior to the close of your bankruptcy case. This can keep you out of a lot of trouble. Anyway, as far as bankrupt or including somebody that you wish to bankrupt or not bankrupt, you have to include everybody that you owe money to. If you have any questions about this or other things, please visit my website at www.bankruptcyjacks.com, or you can Google me at Bankruptcy Jacksonville and my name Grange, Grange, and it should pull up my website.